Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training, and you can contact us through the number that is provided on this video. So we are looking into real exam questions. So the one that we are going to cover today is this Grove Hill to Addison Road. So once again, we are traveling from the green point to the red point, and we can see it here where our red point is and where the green point is. So let's zoom in first to see exactly where we are. Yeah, so in order to plan this, we can see that we need to go down and towards the left side. So to start with, click on this and then you carry on like this. So you're gonna move towards the main road here and come down from here. And you keep going down, don't touch the sidelines. And from here we can get inside this road here. And like I mentioned that the point is down here somewhere, so let's zoom out so you can see here. So we can come down here and then we can kind of go up. So let's zoom in. So we'll come down here. Let's keep going down. Keep going down here. And then from here we can enter in this street. And from here you can see that this is one way, so we can get in here. So this is where our point is. So we can go straight from here. Straight. So here you can see we can't go up here because of the one way. From here we couldn't go here either because that's also a one-way street. So to be on the safe side, so we can come here and then go up towards this side, and we can go up, follow this arrow, come this way, and then from here we can come down, and then you simply click on this point, and that's where the destination is. So let's zoom out just to show you. That is it's the shortest indirect route that we have got here. So again, this came in the exam as well. It is a simple route, but again, you just need to know how to get to that point just to avoid those one-way streets. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.